Now the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 224. So x is going to be the smaller number. Now, here's the weird thing about odd numbers. So if we have the odd numbers 17, 19, 21, the weird thing is if you look at how far apart they are, it's actually the same as even numbers. They're still 2 apart. So the even numbers are 2 apart, but the odd numbers are actually also 2 apart. So what we have is we're doing the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers. That's our first odd number. And the second odd number is still the first odd number plus 2. And that gives us that. Example 20. The width of a rectangle is 7 more than the length. The perimeter is 54. Okay. So the way we're going to define this, we're actually going to define this one slightly differently. I'm going to define this one with a picture. Which side is the, first question is which side is the width and which side is the length? And the answer is, it doesn't actually matter. You could choose whichever one you want. Some people like saying that this is the width, some people like saying this is the length. I'm going to happen for this question only, and you don't have to do it. I'm going to say that this side was the width and that this side is the length. Now the same rule I said before, which is I try to make the smaller side the x. So if the width is 7 more than the length, the width is bigger, the length is smaller. So I'm going to try to make the length x. So the length is x because I think that's smaller. The width is 7 more than the length. So if the length is x, then the width is x plus 7. Now if we're going to make a perimeter out of this thing, if that's x, then this is also x. If that's x plus 7, then this is also x plus 7. And a perimeter, we add up all the sides. So the perimeter is going to be x plus 7 plus x plus 7, and all that adds up to 54. And if we solve for x, what are we finding? Are we finding the length or the width? The answer is, of course, we'd be finding the length. I think we'll stop with that.